Stay in hustle mode, got some brand new clothes. Hit them with a pose, check what I just drove. My car don't touch the road.
What's up, my artists? It's your boy Bon Keith, the artist, checking in with you. So today we are delivering another hairline tutorial. So we're starting off with our Andes T outliners, but we have a fabulous gold FX blade on here. Okay, shout out to Clipper Grinder and shout out to Clipper Elite Mods. All right, so you see I just did the right side of the head. Now I'm going to make sure I start from the middle and I work my way left. Okay, now I'm making sure I'm combing all that excess hair as I'm going through the hairline as well, because you don't want to have to do too much cleanup work as you hit them with the razor. Okay, now the products that I did apply on this hairline to make sure the edge of it is looking extra crispy, I did hit them with the Tap and Go Spritz by Top Tier Hair Club. That product link is in the bio. Okay, now personally, when I'm hitting my C-cups, I make sure I use the corner of my blades. It just gives me more wiggle room and more agility in order to perfect that C-cup shape. Alright, now I'm using my detachable blades in order to fade out my client's hair. Detachables are a lot easier for me to fade with because they knock down the bulk of the hair, especially if you're doing a bald fade. And I also have my detachable blades sharpened. It makes my haircuts go a lot quicker when your blades are sharpened, and it also gives a certain type of definition to your fade. Yes indeed, that is a nice and tight mid-drop bald fade, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's proceed along. We are hitting them with the hot towel and the massagers. Now these massagers, they do work wonders. I offer it in my services because I know a lot of my clients, they go through a lot, they're hardworking men, so it gives them something to look forward to, you know. Now we're going to go ahead and razor his hairline while the skin is still moisturized. You can use shave gel as well, it's your preference. Now I did hit him with some enhancements and I did hit him with the pencil line, so I'm razoring out that pencil line just to make sure it just contrasts with the enhancements. I don't want that pencil line showing too hard. I'm not a fan of it. I usually don't use the pencil line at all, but I mean, just for video purposes, I am showing you how the outcome is supposed to look. Now this is the fade. This is so nice, man. Like, there's something about those detachables that just set off your haircuts and make it look a lot different. Okay, this is the hairline, man. I hope you like it. I hope you like the enhancements, how they're blended in. All I'm doing is just a little touch-up work. But if you do like this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man, because we have more videos coming soon. We have more education to drop. And if you have any educational video preferences, please put in the comment section, let me know. And I did drop my client's head just to make sure everything was straight, everything was even. That's a cold haircut. I'm loving it.
Stay in hustle mode, got some brand new clothes. Hit them with a pose, check what I just drove. My car don't touch the road.